lockdown at midnight after the outbreak there almost doubled overnight. Blake Johnson is in Melbourne for us. Blake, there were 11 new cases. The government says it had to act.
The cluster's now at 26, Ange, and moving through the community faster than we've ever seen. As a result, we're in a 7-day lockdown in Victoria from midnight. It means there are 5 reasons to leave home: for work, shopping for essentials, caregiving, exercise, or to get vaccinated. Schools are closed, hospitality is takeaway only. Contact tracers have been keeping their heads above water until now. The spread of cases across the city and into the country has been a major concern. We now have 150 exposure sites at bars, at 2 major stadiums and shopping centres. There are 10,000 primary and secondary contacts. 1 person is on a ventilator in ICU. It is the Indian variant of coronavirus. Health officials say it spreads way too fast to contact trace our way out of it.
How long it takes between the onset of symptoms in the first and secondary case is averaging just over a day. Now, to put that in some perspective, the usual transmission is about 5 to 6 days. If we make the wrong choice now, if we wait too long, this thing will get away from us.
So, lockdown number 4 for Victoria, this time for 7 days, ending at midnight next Thursday. The state government says if we can end it early, we will. At this stage, we can only hope that'll be the case, Ange.
OK, thanks so much, Blake.
South Wales authorities have issued an urgent health alert amid fears the Victorian outbreak has jumped north across the border. Today's Gabrielle Boyle is in Western Sydney this morning. Gabby, good morning. What do health officials have to say?
Good morning, Alex. Well, health authorities are working hard to contact members of the Tullybuck Sporting Club who crossed the border from New South Wales to Victoria on May 22 and between the hours of 12 and 5 p.m. attended a sporting event where a COVID-positive person was in attendance. The fear is that members of this club may have picked up the virus by accident and taken it back across the border to New South Wales. So they're working very hard to contact everybody from that club who was in attendance during the afternoon of May 22. The New South Wales State Government, the New South Wales Premier Gladys Berejiklian, worked to reassure the New South Wales population yesterday that the border to Victoria at this stage would not close. It will remain open. But we're being reminded that it is best to not travel to Victoria unless it is absolutely essential at this stage. Alex?
Sound advice, Gabby. Thank you.